Hello friends, in this video I will guide you through how to download and install DirectX 12. To find out if your GPU is DirectX 12 capable, you gotta open up your search bar and type in DXDiag. Click on it, hit yes, and wait for it to load. Once it loads, go to Display, either Display 1 or 2 if you have multiple displays, and check the feature levels. If yours says 9, 10, 11, or 12, your GPU is DirectX 12 capable. Next, go to your search bar and type down Windows Update. Click on Windows Update, check for updates, and click on Download and Install if there are available updates. Don't restart your computer yet. Go to Advanced Options and click on Optional Updates and install them. Once done, restart your computer. Now, go to your favorite browser. Open it up and type down Direct Download. Click on the ones from Microsoft itself and download the automatic DirectX installer. Save it wherever you want, close the browser, double-click on the installer, hit on Next, untick the bloatware, hit on Next, follow the simple prompts, and once done, restart your computer. After that, DirectX 12 will be installed. Thank you for watching Quick Tweak.